today's topic is Pawan Kalyan succeeded in politics. You can go ahead.
Good afternoon to one and all. My name is Mohan Krishna. Today we are going to discuss the topic is city hero. Everyone known as city hero Kodinela Pawan Kalyan. We known as the Pawan Kalyan. He is entered in the politics. Yes, he succeeded or not. On that topic we discussed. So actually he started the 14th March 2014. He started the party. The party name is the Janasena Party. In Janasena Party's main aim is the social facilities to peoples, and so many people are encouraged with Pawan Kalyan, and so some people are discouraged with some parties like TRS, BJP. Parties are invited to Pawan Kalyan join with my team, and
but actually Pawan Kalyan is said to merge with TDP, BJP.
yes, I am also we show that
He opposed to only Congress.
yes.
He wants to merge with TDP and BJP. He also not to participate in present election going April, but he didn't participate in that election. Just he announced a party name. And also he didn't explain any party agenda also. How can he serve the people?
That's why the election committee they can't give ticket to Pawan Kalyan, because if they put party before 6 months they introduce the election party, but he put the party in March 14. That's why they didn't give the ticket to Pawan Kalyan. And there is why I think why he put the parties in March 14. Why? Because if he put party in near the elections, then the voters have sympathy, and he thought like voters have sympathy, and then he got lot of votes. That's the thing I think he have put the party in March 14.
Okay, Lokesh, sorry. Okay, I agree with you. But so many people are encouraged to Pawan Kalyan. His main party logo, everything is inspired. Like his party logo, flag, everything is designed inspiration of Cheguvira, Jiddu Krishnamurti, and Swami Vivekananda. Like that people is encouraged. Some people are so many people are encouraging. And in Andhra Pradesh, young peoples and energetic peoples are so many people encouraging. And cine heroes like Nani, Samantha, Pranita, Ram Gopal Verma, industrialist Porturi. These people also encouraged to Pawan Kalyan. I think 50-50% options is in succeed or not in succeed. I think because if we go on personal depth analysis to Pawan Kalyan, his personal story is very bad. He is married to I think 5 to 6 members. He yes.
Don't involve the personal matters.
How the
He said like that. I'm not come to participation of these elections. I'm just come to serve the people.
But you know, every people is know.
Okay, come. We can do the social activities. By
Yes, we can do social activities.
keeping a politics party, some other trust he can open.
But he can recognize himself only.
Actually, he started the common man production force. He started previously. He's collected so many donations. But where's the donation? Who spent that donation? He's not run a production for common man production force. How he run a party in society? That is the main point in situation.
Okay, he started a
You say a lot of people are coming, cine industry is supposed to Pawan Kalyan.
Yes.
But you forget one. In Megastar, Chiranjeevi,
Yes.
he put party. Then a lot of people, a lot of members are coming. A lot of industry people who support them. But what happened last year? So I think in Pawan Kalyan also, I think same. He also joined the group.
Yeah.
Why? Because in the situation there are a lot of parties.
Yes.
Recently, Kiran Kumar Reddy put Desamikandra party, and next he introduced the party. His party. I think he's not good this time.
He already said no.
Yeah.
I am not mentioning to Congress, but I am mentioning to any other party.
Why he has kept the new party with merging with TDP and other parties?
Recognize himself.
Not
For
recognized, but
recognizing himself, everyone will put a party, new party.
Everybody good, but if somebody do anything means, he said like we can do it from Janasena party, Janasena party. All members recognize that party. That's why you could party means some group of people now.
Yes.
Single person doing means
Why are merging with other parties?
to capture more power.
No.
If he succeed one place only, means other
He is
places.
thinking he is a recognized person to coming fighting with one man army. So why is merging with TDP party?
One man party correct, but
Then he has to stand with the FP with the TDP also.
okay, if he succeed one place,
Why keeping a new party?
if he succeed one place.
Already is 7 or 8 parties in Telangana.
Not in Telangana,
Then-
also there.
and why? Because he refused Congress meetings. Recently we have divided Telangana and Andhra is divided. And another reason is Chiranjeevi is also already in Congress party. Some other talks, her family talks means they have some divide of problems to their. I think that's why he refused Congress.
Yeah, in my point of view, Pawan Kalyan will not succeed in politician career. Why? Because lot of competition in politics. There are a lot of politicians. The people are. He is thinking his fans will vote them, but no one will vote them. Why? Because they are selecting the areas communication for MLAs, corporators. Then only all the members he is giving the party with separate one candidate he will give for ticket. He is nice or bad who is thing in local area. No one will give vote.
Fans
Seeing for Pawan Kalyan he will not give vote from. He is seeing for communication of the social activity what they are serving for people, roads, all accidents.
Fans are only following for only movies,
For-
not into politics.
For putting a fans a new party is not correct.
Okay, I'm also agree with you, friends. But actually, in cine industry, people also so many people are encouraged to Pawan Kalyan. 50. I'm said.
Only fans only supported
Supported with to Pawan Kalyan.
As a
Fans and
political leader, no one supported.
Oh, yes,
Only
yes.
Raju,
I am also
Bangladesh, and 200 members only.
Yes.
And they are no experienced person in politics. They are around below 50 years,
Yes.
and 2 members only above the 50 years. So they have no knowledge of the political. And his Pawan Kalyan assets is exactly he's right now he's handling 89,000. It is a very less amount, and his bank deposits, all our assets are for 38 crores, 22 lakhs and 22,976. So he has no money, and
Money is not
no, not all the time, but sometimes it's required.
Till now, no field actor has
No success.
success in politics.
Yes, sir.
But he is in so
Recently
many
is,
of in industry now. But he is not to favor in his own land, Bapata, and his caste people also. He is not favor to that people. How he social service to the people. How the people are trusted to Pawan Kalyan.
Without doing any favor to his own land,
Yes.
other people's wants.
I
He also didn't clear about his agenda. He always put how he is watching with this Congress Bachao, this like
but his speech is very inspiring. Congress Hatao, Desh Bachao.
Yes.
That speech is very
always
inspiring.
he
to
put
people.
speech of his wife like
Yes.
that teller only.
Yes. Congress Hatao, Desh Bachao. That
He didn't discuss any about the politics. He focused about current corruptions.
yes.
As saying purpose means it's okay. But coming to practical means he can do or not.
Yes, actually, people are suffering from 108 and ROTC Bima, which governments. But he is not come to ask to government why to serve the 108 ROTC Bima Vargam like that. But he is come to 60 days before the elections. I am sorry to why he is come to this time before after 60 days he is not come. Why?
Congress party are doing the election. And what's the evidence?
I am not said. Pawan Kalyan said.
Pawan Kalyan, yes.
Yes. I am not said.
Say something.
In future,
Maybe, but not sure.
Same Chiranjeevi also coming in politics. Lot of people he has doing social service, but after he coming to politics, he didn't know any social service.
His own brother Chiranjeevi, previously he started the Prajarajan party. He is combined with to Congress, but he is Pawan Kalyan main role in the Prajarajan party. He is the Yuvarajam main member, president of Yuvarajam. But he is not favored to the he is not said to the how why you combined with to Congress, but he is not asking why he is not asking why he put the party present Janasena party.
It's personal.
It's personal, but he is personally another issue.
As a
How
person, anyone can put party.
is not solve the personal issue. How the people to serve? How?
Yes.
Yeah, that one that you. I am also agree with you, but this point also main now.
He also said like that.
Yes.
But sometimes he success, I think, as well. Also here, he is content. He is talking about political.
Yes, Shiva. But so many only young and energetic people also encouraged. But old, I think you know, in village schools, everyone don't know Pawan Kalyan. Who's the only young and energetic people also know Pawan Kalyan.
As per my opinion, lot of people are energetic.
Yes.
So
I think
he said Jan party is the power of common people.
Common people.
As he said, Jan party is the power of common people. Then why he considered that party as like RD function?
Yes. And actually, any politician put in party with the party open round.
Welcome
But you can put one
but he can give access to all
Yes.
some restrictions.
Yes.
While RD function or some his personal function.
Yes, some passes. That is not a order function. That is the public function. But sometimes we thinking about 50% option is to succeed in Pawan Kalyan because fans also encouraging in some
As a fan, encourage everybody,
Yes.
but not a policy.
but I'm said, but that's why I'm saying only 50% option is there. But is actually my assumption, Pawan Kalyan is succeed in present situation is not succeed. And
I agree.
Just he come to
Also look there, his previous life
okay.
is not any doing the social services, only movie purpose, cine industry purpose, only movies he doing social service. But now but real life is not doing any social services.
Yes, Shiva. If we go to depth personal story of about Pawan Kalyan, everyone knows
He's an angry person.
and everyone knows Paritala Ravi is
Pawan
Kalyan transfer story. Everyone knows, but he's not there.
Many years back, he's very angry person. He's not good person. But nowadays, recently, for 2-3 years back, is a lot of.
But so here you are saying Pandala Ravi, but recent I saw in Facebook, he did. That is not real story for Pandala.
No.
That is social network. We actually I am also traced that matter, but I'm seeing that photos and stories, and previously my brothers and old age people also said it's the real story. Pawan Kalyan and Paritala is enemies with previous.
But here once you look the his age around 46. He's a young boy, and he's a lot of big fans following, and his success movies are there.
Yes.
But why is foot and parking? Why? That's why we agree. We agree.
Yes, I also agree with you. But how the serve to people? If we see now that personal story.
Yeah, no. Sometimes it's not.
Yes, if
If happen,
if not happen, if his story, his personal story is not controlled, now personal.
So example,
how the control to other people issues.
Yeah. Some example, Patel is a good person. His personal life. He's a criminal.
Yes.
But his success not compared to personal life. Sometimes it's
sometimes that is previously I think that is 2000 2005 around 2000 to 2005, but this is 2013 now. That's why he is succeed and 50% I'm said is exactly not succeed, exactly succeed. Yes.
and here as per your opinion,
Yes.
how much he assets crores, some millions of crores, but he have only 89,000 per in hand. So he is a lot of charities and he donates charities and social
Yes.
services.
Yes.
So
Common Man Protection Force also is running previously, but
Janasena party also come that is
that is a part.
trust on commons.
Yes, but that
he is not
but he-
personally put the party. Some people are forcing parties fans. That's why he's put the party.
It's not correct, Shiva. If fans, for example, we take Chiranjeevi, Allah also forced to Chiranjeevi to put party. Then
No. That Chiranjeevi is, as per my opinion, Pawan Kalyan is better than Chiranjeevi.
So only to, only it's talking to
No.
but in real situation it's not good.
Reality is it's a why because there is no money and
Fans are calling only for only
fans
movie
are-
lives, not in politics.
In present situation, we cannot.
he's get the 3 marriages. But as per your opinion, how do you
Not considered personal matter.
No. How is personal?
we are not considered person, but people are considered now.
Yeah, considered.
That is the main issue of the Pawan Kalyan. And he is an aggressive person, everyone known as.
Not right now, as 5 years back. Right now is good.
Yes.
Also, I'm not agreeing. Always he opposed Congress.
Yeah.
I'm remembering one thing. He said in that previously the hundred party, I am Indian, like shouting, I am Indian. How he can say like I am Indian? The Congress party only he said. Today we are leading this freedom means that's reason goes to Congress party only. 125 years history is that Congress party. As a just a senior hero, we don't do blame to Congress party.
Yes, but that is
When we are leading this freedom means now goes to Congress party.
That is that time.
that is what is he says something.
Nowadays we have some lot of rising price and petrol prices increase and as the market and then his Budi party and the every police sincere working and I think he is a success.
He said he said he should do Congress party in like that. But no party can do it.
Actually, I am not agree with you. But finally, he is not said to. He said something. I am joined with another parties. Why he joined with another parties?
To get more power.
He that more
He had more. With his power, more.
Why?
That's
Yes,
it.
okay.
To
Why
serve
he
more
put
people.
the
To serve more people.
yes, yes, I am also agree. But why he put the Janasena party? Directly we go to join of that party. Why he put the party like this?
He wants recognize. Just recognize. If he serve TDP party means
Actually,
all praise goes to TDP party only now. If he serve the TDP party, all credit goes to TDP party.
Yes.
If he put one party and he wants he won't recognize. With his name only he wants to serve people.
Why was merging with TDP?
Why?
He was merging with TDP party, supporting it.
Actually,
Not TDP. He didn't declare anything now. He said, I am not ready to merge with Congress. I am ready to merge with any party.
Any parties.
Any
He
party.
said.
Get more power.
If he not get votes means he will merge with other parties.
If he merge with votes or not merge with votes, he can compulsory merge with other parties. He said that.
Janasena party is a people's party.
Ah, yes.
So, but he is giving meeting in 5-star order. That is correct. That is not correct.
Discussed already.
Okay, friends. Finally, I am thankful for the some 3 points. First point is the Pawan Kalyan is succeed or not, and we are not said. Only 50% happen is there.
Depend upon future.
Depends on future.
Who knows?
Oh yes. Next one is if people are see the personal stories, everything, but he is not succeed in politics. And third point is say he is announced. I am joined with merged with some another parties except Congress. The people are not rushed to that matter because he is joined with another party. Now why people vote that Pawan Kalyan? Yes, all you. This group discussion, all you agree with it? If any points is there.
I'm not agree with you. Chiranjeevi is also started Prajagarya Party.
Yes.
Chiranjeevi's fans following is very high. All kind of fan following is very high. Why? Because Chiranjeevi's short service is very high. eye bank, blood bank, even started social services.
But
But he is mentioned also Congress now.
They not social service in Pawan Kalyan.
People trust to Chiranjeevi, put the vote, but wow, what do the people that time?
On trusting it can't.
Yes, that's why it is not to better this time to enter in politics. That's why I'm saying.
Pawan Kalyan is not succeed.
Yes,
My point.
that's why I'm saying. You said not agree. That's why all of you agree with you the discussion.
Okay, party will succeed. I will discuss about this now. In this span of this, just election will happen in April. Okay, March coming. In the span of these 30 days only, who can give party recognition? Election commission doesn't give any recognition. Then how can he participate in these elections?
Okay, thank you, friends. Thank you very much.
He was telling that there is a 50-50 chance, like he should be negative or positive. But he was agreeing with his opposition. And second thing is, during the communication he was using the words. During the communication he was using our kind of sounds, and he was showing doubtful conclusions. And Shiva was against the Pawan Kalyan politics, but the important thing is he was diverting the topic, like he was telling about the assets and about the personal life, how he got divorced and all. The topic was diverting, and he was also changing the opinion. He was telling that Pawan Kalyan cannot be succeeded in politics, but he was telling later on that because of the fan following he has the chances to win. Gauri didn't raise any point, but at the end he told something positive about, like negative for Pawan Kalyan, but according to our topic he told that Pawan Kalyan cannot be succeeded because as comparing with Prachar Rajyam party. Similarly, Uday also was using and kind of sounds in his communication, and at some point of time he was diverting the topic, like he was telling about Chiranjeevi's party and YSR party, and he raised few right points also, and the main point is the communication was little weak, and Hemant was using sentences with breaks, and some sentences he missed, like he was telling us wrong slogans about Congress Hatao, and main thing he is interrupting during the group discussion, like when Mohan was talking he interrupted in between, and Shivan was negative, but he pointed out his points in a very aggressive manner. Communication was good, but aggression was more than required for the GD. That's it. Thank you.